And remind me where you come from.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire. That's a long ways from here. And did you fly?
Yeah.
I got you. So what are you going to sing? You're going to be my first actual singer of the week. What are you going to sing tonight?
Make It Shine.
Oh man, I love this song. You ready? Sing it.
Here I am once again, feeling lost from now and then. I breathe in to let it go, and you don't know where you are now. So I will come to look only somebody here. Only have to run now, as long as you feel it inside. You know, you don't have to be afraid to put your dream in action. You're never gonna face it, be the main attraction. Not a fantasy, that's your memory. When make it shine.
Because that's all for you. How cool is that? Take them out. That's all for you. And you blessed my socks off. Thank you very much. Give me 5, Natalie. Once again, and that's what I love about this show. I get to watch you guys grow up from year to year.